This is my go-to everyday eyeshadow tutorial. I love how this tutorial and this look enhances my eyes, and I want to teach you how I get this. So let's get started with today's video. Before we get into the eye look, we need to fix up our brows, and I'm using this Brow Wiz pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You want to make sure your brows are very natural looking, so do not apply heavy product at the front of the brow. Instead, start from the back of the brow. And you're building up the product really slowly. Do not forget to blend it out. Now we're going to seal the brows in place, and I'm going in with this L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel and setting the brows in place. Now I'm going in with my Kosas Revealer Concealer and I'm applying that slightly underneath the brow. And now I'm applying that onto the lid and underneath the eye as well. For this tutorial, I'm using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette, and with the E16 Colourpop brush, I'm going in with a light brown shade first. In a way, I'm setting the concealer in place while creating a beautiful transition. Now we're going to go in with the slightly deeper brown shade, and we're starting from the upper lash line, but always make sure you're starting close to the lash line first. You want to build up this color slowly. Think of it like latte makeup. Then I'm going in with the same shade again and building up some more color. Next, we're going in with the dark brown shade from the palette and we're applying that to the bottom quarter of the eye. You can see how this is becoming so quick and easy. That's why this is my go-to everyday eyeshadow tutorial. Now I'm going in with the lighter shade, and with the Refer 14 brush, I'm just buffing out the crease. Just creating a transition into our skin tone. Now back into the dark brown shade, and with my Refer 02 brush, which is a flat brush, we're going to be applying that to the bottom lash line. And back into the same shade, we are building out the color even more. Your eye should look something like this. Next up, we're going in with that brown shimmer shade, and we're using our fingers and we're tapping that lightly on the lid. And then we're going in with the topper shade, which is slightly lighter than the previous one, and we're gently tapping it on the eye. We do not want a lot of color, that's why I'm tapping it in different areas of the lid. Now I'm going to go in with any spoolie brush and we're going to be removing out any fallout. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Black Coffee liner and I'm applying that on the waterline. Do not forget to tightline the upper lash line. Now go ahead and curl your lashes. And then I'm going in with one of my favorites, Fenty Beauty mascara. Look at that instant volume it has given the lashes. And there you go guys, this is my everyday go-to eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.